In this video we will talk about how to earn with Web3. Web 3.0, also known as the decentralized web, presents various opportunities to earn income in innovative ways. Here are a few ways you can potentially earn from Web 3.0. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. Cryptocurrency investments. Invest in cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects that show promise. Conduct thorough research, stay informed about market trends, and consider diversifying your portfolio. However, note that cryptocurrency investments carry risks, so it's important to make informed decisions and invest responsibly. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Participate in decentralized finance platforms that allow you to lend, borrow, stake, and provide liquidity. DeFi platforms operate on blockchain networks and offer various financial services, providing opportunities to earn interest, transaction fees, or rewards by participating in different DeFi protocols. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Explore the world of non-fungible tokens, which are unique digital assets stored on a blockchain. NFTs can represent digital art, collectibles, virtual real estate, and more. Artists, creators, and collectors can earn income by creating and selling NFTs, participating in NFT marketplaces, or earning royalties from the resale of their NFTs. Content creation and curation. Web 3.0 platforms often reward content creators and curators directly through tokens or cryptocurrencies. Platforms like Steemit, Library, and Publish 0x allow users to earn income by creating and sharing content, while decentralized social media platforms like Hive or Minds provide opportunities to earn rewards based on engagement and participation. Decentralized marketplaces. Participate in decentralized marketplaces that leverage blockchain technology. These platforms enable peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries, allowing individuals to buy and sell goods or services directly. By listing your products or services on decentralized marketplaces, you can potentially earn income while eliminating traditional intermediaries. Web 3.0 development. Consider building decentralized applications, DApps, or contributing to existing projects. The demand for skilled developers, designers, and professionals in the Web 3.0 space is growing. You can earn income by providing your expertise to create innovative solutions, improve user experiences, or contribute to the development of blockchain infrastructure. Tokenized assets and staking. Explore platforms that offer tokenized assets, such as real estate, stocks, or commodities, on the blockchain. These platforms allow you to earn income by investing in or staking these tokenized assets, which often provide returns in the form of dividends, rental income, or interest. Remember, while Web 3.0 presents exciting opportunities, it's essential to do thorough research, understand the risks involved, and stay up to date with regulations and best practices. Always exercise caution and seek professional advice when necessary.